Hey guys, a very good morning to you. I'm still at home today because I actually developed a fever overnight. Anyway, yeah, my body's aching from all the sneezing. That happened yesterday. I mean, I feel so miserable. Hope you guys are having a great one. I'm not feeling really 100% yet, but I'm getting there, hopefully. I've got a doctor's appointment this evening, so not for anything really. It's because I'm missing work and I need to get a medical certificate for it. Other than that, yeah, it's a much nicer day today. It's really bright and sunny, and it's meant to go up to a high of 25 or something like that. Yeah, and hope you guys are having a great one. Having a great Wednesday evening / Thursday morning. I am not it. Yeah, no. Anyways, I hope you guys will have an abesterical day. Steve's at work. Puppies are home with me. And then being little babies. It's a rather peaceful day today. Not as cold as yesterday, but I think because of this going on, it's I feel a little bit cold. I'm not even sure if it's like allergies or a head cold. Either way, it's a mess, and like my abs are really aching, and my back is really aching from all the sneezing. And I mean sneezing, like it's continuous sneezing, and they're quite full on and violent sneezing, if you will. Like, so my body, it feels like I've gone to the gym and did such a massive workout and I'm paying for it right now. If only this is actually just from sneezing. It's a horrible thing. Anyway, I ramble on. Hope you guys have a great one. I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, so Steve's back. Yay, wave. And we're going to the doctor's now. My lips are chapped. This happened when I was sneezing like a bitch yesterday, like non-stop. So yeah, so pretty much it sneezed to the point that my lips got chapped, it dried out. I can't. It hurts to giggle. It hurts to do anything because my muscles are aching. It's not funny. Well, it is kind of, but still. I hope you guys are having a good day. A lot of you welcoming Thursday into your lives. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to the doctor, and there's nothing much they can do because except for the fact that I need to find out if this is actually an allergy reaction or is it, I don't know, bacterial infection, or is it viral? I don't think it's viral. So we'll see, because it's getting annoying. So apparently it turned out that it was my allergies. I'm so over it. Oh, we're at Steve's just gone into Big W to get his carbon dioxide canister for his soda stream. So I'm just gonna wait in the car because I am not feeling it. I'm feeling so tired. I think it's just my body's just tired from sneezing. The last time my allergies acted up, it wasn't like this. It was actually completely different. It was just congestion in, you know, here, and watery eyes. No sneezing, really. Yeah, it's just messed up. I hope you guys are having a much better day than I am. This is just a day of nonsense for me. It's just a day of nonsense. It's just I'm over it. I'm over being sick. Hello. So it's the end of the day and I'm still in pain. Yep. Ow. My entire body's pretty much aching from the violent sneezes yesterday. I had a sneeze earlier and I thought I was gonna die. My muscles, I just thought that it was just gonna tear. Anyway, I've gone to the doctor and he was kind enough to tell me that he was kind enough to offer extending my medical leave if needed because I'm in so much pain. I mean, I can walk and all that, but a lot of movements are quite restrictive. Yeah, I'm getting back spasms from this. Yesterday, I remember sneezing so hard that I felt a sharp pain in my lower back. Like, yeah, that's how violent the sneezes were. Like, they pretty much full on. Anyway, so I hope you guys have had a great day today. I've taken some medication to help me sleep tonight, especially with the pain, if a cough or a sneeze. Yeah, I'm in pain. So, poor me, poor Abel. Yeah, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel yet tomorrow. So obviously, so we'll see how things go tomorrow. And on that note, I shall see you guys tomorrow. See ya.